Namaste, beautiful community. Thank you for joining me here. My name is Tiina. This is a new moon meditation with some breath work integrated in. It may be supportive for you to connect with the lunar cycles and practice this meditation around the time of the dark moon phase, Amavasya. However, you can use this meditation anytime that you feel called to cultivating a closer connection with yourself, with your authentic self, as well as calming, soothing, and winding down into an inner space of quietude. So take a moment to make yourself comfortable or ask your body what's needed. Maybe there's a little bit of a stretch or something that your body needs to help you land into a comfortable position. You're welcome to sit up for this meditation, or you're welcome to lay back and relax. You might use it like a shavasana, a relaxation by laying down upon the earth and resting in a comfortable way. Wherever you choose to be, you might soften your eyes closed. Take the first few breaths here to settle in, feeling all of the momentum of the day and of the world starting to slow down. Becoming aware of your breath, gentle and relaxed waves of inhalation and exhalation. Noticing that each wave of breath starts to slow down and deepen as you pay attention to it. Beginning here with a few rounds of what's called full yogic breath, or dirga pranayama, or diaphragmatic breathing. When you breathe in, the belly and the chest expand as the lungs inflate. As you breathe out, there's a sense of softening and relaxation. Breathing with your own rhythm, your own breath capacity. To inhale, expanding belly, middle ribs, and upper chest. Each exhale, long, smooth, and slow. Smoothing out the edges of your breath. Letting your mind soften and relax. And for the next few rounds of breath, notice how it feels to intentionally lengthen the exhale. Like a setting sun, follow the exhalation all the way to the end, to the sacred pause where the impulse to breathe in rises again like a rising sun. Feeling the cycles of nature alive in your breath here. The inhale, the waxing moon, waxing towards fullness, to wane again and release to that potent space of emptiness at the end of the exhale, like a dark moon. Sunrise and sunset. Take a few more of these intentional breaths, shaping the inhale to fullness, lengthening the exhale to emptiness. And as you do, notice your physical body softening into the support beneath you, whether sitting or laying down. Feel held by the earth. With every exhale, letting go a little more. And gradually let go of the shaping of the breath and simply allow your body to breathe naturally and effortlessly. You might notice that the shape of the breath remains, that sense of fullness and length on the exhale, and yet letting go of any effort or striving. As the new moon or the dark moon phase calls us to let go of effort and soften into a place of ease. In this world that so values productivity and fast-paced urgency and overstimulation, allow yourself for these next few minutes or moments to take refuge within the inner space of quietude and restoration that is your birthright. Allow the thoughts to continue softening as awareness settles into embodiment and presence. Nothing to do or make happen here, simply being, resting, allowing. Notice if you can soften your physical body even just a tiny bit more. A little bit of melting or unclenching as you rest, as you soften. Thoughts may come and go, and that's okay. Allowing yourself to relax away from thinking and into feeling and sensing and being moment to moment. And in the yoga tradition and Ayurveda, the new moon or Amavasya is a time that the veils and layers of conditioning become a little bit more translucent. Or there's an sort of unwinding of these layers of conditioning that gives us more access to the authentic self. More access to what is true and real in your essence, the essence of you. So allow yourself to relax into a space where you are simply being and inviting space where your own authentic nature can be felt. Letting go of the need to make anything happen or to understand anything consciously, but rather trusting that this authentic self, this authentic nature is available and within your experience here and now. You may even welcome these words here and now with a few rounds of breath, inhaling here, exhaling now. Here, now. Here now is presence, is connection with your authentic self. You can make contact with your own essence, with the you that is in your heart and your soul, the deepest parts of yourself. Here, now, is you. And the new moon is also a beautiful time to welcome intention, seeds of intention that you can plant into your subconscious mind, into the layers of the self and into your heart that are then cultivated and nurtured over the next lunar cycle. So if it feels right for you, you might bring a hand to belly and a hand to heart. And take a few breaths here to welcome intention. This might come through as a word or a phrase of something that comes from your inner self, that essence of you. Or it might be an image or a symbol or a feeling that emerges that you would like to nurture and grow as moon shifts into its movement towards light and fullness. The new moon is a beautiful time in the depths of the darkness and spaciousness to plant these seeds that are then cultivated. So take a few moments here in the stillness, in the inner quiet, to welcome these seeds of intention to be here. Nothing to force or make happen, simply opening up, creating space, welcoming these seeds of intention with each breath. And taking a few more breaths here, as if opening up to feel fully with your heart, to believe in this intention with your whole self, to believe it as true and real, that it's part of you, it is you. So let's take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's do that one more time, breathing in, breathing out. Honoring you and thanking you from my heart. You might choose to stay where you are and linger in the stillness and relaxation a little longer. If you feel ready to awaken, you might start to welcome sounds around you and let the fingers and toes wiggle, eventually take a stretch, or you might let your eyes flutter open, bringing in the light, the color that's around you. Namaste, my dear friends, my community. Thank you for being here. If you're just discovering my channel, please take a look through the playlists and the video offerings, lots of moon-related practices, lots of restorative yoga, yoga nidra, and hypnotherapy for deep peace and healing. And know that this time of the new moon, whether you are practicing this during the new moon or you're just tuning into that natural part of you that moves towards stillness and that shifts in a cycle towards inner spaces of quietude and rest, I just encourage you to nurture that part of you, to honor the need for stillness and to give yourself that gift, and to really honor it as your birthright. If you feel called to exploring this more deeply, to explore the lunar cycles, to explore the medicine of rest, myself and my colleagues, Ali Boothroyd and Laura Dunford and Kristen Rose, we offer through the School of Living Yoga a beautiful training, Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training. This training is for anyone who's called to explore the medicine and the potential, the healing potential of rest more deeply. And as well, for those who wish to then share those gifts with the community, with your own community. So we empower teachers, perhaps yoga teachers or wellness professionals who are looking for more tools to help support the nervous system, to regulate, to calm, as well as those who are looking for just your own personal growth and the invitation and the space to really prioritize yourself and to prioritize rest in your life. We find that when people move through this training moon to moon, that one of the most potent feedback reflections that we get so often is that people just love the opportunity to tune into the natural cycles and to give their own selves the medicine of rest through the practices that we offer in the training. And then of course, many trainees are empowered to then use these tools to support others, which is so what the world needs right now. More of us being pioneers and ambassadors of healing and rest and nature connection. So if you are interested in Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training, I encourage you to reach out. You can follow the links below to submit an application or book a call to chat about it, or you can follow the email to just send a message and ask questions, connect with me anytime. I would love to hear from you. And please also leave a comment on the video here, just letting me know you were here. I love hearing where you're practicing from in the world, and I look forward to connecting with you more. Thank you again. So much gratitude.